Object-oriented programming, OOP, in JavaScript is a programming paradigm that uses objects to design applications and programs. And the first example to illustrate OOP concepts is the class. The classes are the templates for creating the objects, and they are used to encapsulate data with code to work on that data. We create a class by writing class, the name of the class, that is person for instance here, and we do the constructor, the name is or something that we want to have for that person, and after that this will be this dot name and name and this dot is equal to AZE, and we will greet the person, let's say, and we have to, let's say, print the name of the person. We will say hello to use with the variable. We have to do something, the sign here. So my name is $, and then this dot name, and let's say, and I am $, in fact it's this dot is, yes, and then we will close this. So we do this here. Close this one. And so we will create an instance of the person class. So we do that by const person one, and then we write new, and then we write the name of the class and say let's say the name be Robbie, and he is about 25 years old. And when we do person one dot create, and see what happens here. Person 1 is not defined. Let's do this again. This time we get the name and the years of the person. So basically the classes are some type of pre-made template for creating a new object. Then we have something called the inheritance. So inheritance is the feature that allows the new class to inherit the properties and methods of an existing class. So let's do the new class here, that is class. Let's say the student, and then stings the person name, person class. Then we have the constructor here, which will have the name, age, and student. Student, that is, yes, student, let's say, student ID is not exactly, let's not make it this capital here. This will be small letter here, student ID. and then we will call the constructor of the parent class. We do that by super name and age, and then after this dot student id equal to student id. After that, we will have a something like this study. This is the function inside this class. Console.log, and then again we will do this special sign here, dollar, and then call the brackets. This dot name is starting. Let's say we also add something here, for instance, subject name. That will be the subject, and let's say topic, I would say, so it'll be much more useful. Or I can just say, let's say subject would be more meaningful, and then I will say this dot subject, and this will be subject. And again, I'll do $, curly brackets, this dot subject, and then we will create an instance of this class. So I'll do constant student 1 equal to new, and then I will say student, and then we will say, let's say Bobby or something. Bobby is 28 years old, and his student ID is something as let's say 1, 2, 3, 5. He's studying JavaScript. Bobby is studying JavaScript. So this is our constant, and we can do something here, like we can access the something from the person class and also from the student class. So for instance, I do student 1 dot greet, and the other one is student 1 dot study, and then I run this. So this time we get, hello, my name is Bobby and I'm 28 years old. Bobby is studying JavaScript. So this is the way to do the inheritance, where we allow the new class to inherit the properties and other methods of the existing class. And the other one is the encapsulation. Encapsulation is the way to restrict the direct access to some of the objects components. This can be this prevents the accidental modification of any data. So let's do the new class. It's the car, and we have this hashtag sign. Let's say my legs. This is something as a private field. we do the constructor, and then we have the brand, let's say, model, and this, and then we have this dot brand, or to brand, and this dot model, or to model, and we have this dot as mileage equal to 0. So this is the private property here, and then we'll have something here that is drive distance, and this drive distance will have this dot mileage, and then we will have distance. We will also have this get mileage, and in this get mileage we will have the written this dot mileage. Now let's create the instance of this car class. So we will have instant, and that is the car 1, and then we will have new car, and let's say we have the this is the new model, and then we have the brand, and then we also have the new, what's the new model, and here we will say brand, brand, and then let's do this one, car 1 dot drive, and in this we will have 100, and in something console dot log, and car 1 dot get mileage, and so then let's see what happens. So we get the 100, and we can also try to access the private one here, because we had something called has here, and this time we get the syntax error. It says private field mileage must be declared in an enclosing class, so it's not working. The other one is the polymorphism, and the polymorphism allows methods to do different things based on the object that it is acting upon. So let's create a class animal where it says make sound. So this side here, and make sound, and then after we'll print something console.log and some sound. Then we will extend the class animal by class. Let's say this is the new class that is dog, extends animal, and I'm going to do the make sound, and console.log, so dog barks, bark, and after we will also have a new class that is cat, and extends the animal class, and then we will say and that will have a console so console.log. It says meow meow, and we will have the new instant here, that is instant animals, and also new it's new animal. After we have new dog, and then we will have the new cat. And therefore we will close this, and then we will say animals dot. So each animal, then we'll say animal equal to, and we'll say animal that makes sound. So let's see, what do we get here? And then we get something here. Let's see what we have got here. We have got some error. Let's see what we have done something wrong. So we'll have the constant, sorry, we have the class animal. It makes sound. Say console.log. We have a new class, that is class, and it says makes sound. We have a new class that is dog, and that extends animal, and it makes sounds. Then we have the class cat extends animal. There's the makes sound. It's not required here. Let's see. We're still not working. And that this one. And then we have the distinct animals. New animal. New dog. New cat. Animal stood for each animal. And animal dot makes sound. And we were supposed to get output something here, but we are not getting anything. Let's comment this out. Let's comment this out. And okay, and now we're getting something. So we get some sound. It is bark, bark, and then meow. So basically, polymorphism is allowing all the methods to do different things based on that object which it is acting upon.